Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. A home decoration collection is a curated assortment of carefully selected pieces that bring beauty, comfort, and personality to living spaces. From furniture and accessories to art and textiles, a thoughtfully crafted home decoration collection reflects the homeowner's taste and style while creating a harmonious and inviting environment. Each item in the collection plays a unique role in enhancing the overall ambience, whether it's a statement piece that becomes the focal point of a room or subtle accents that add character and charm. A well-curated collection takes into consideration the balance between form and function, ensuring that aesthetics are not compromised by practicality. Whether inspired by contemporary trends, vintage aesthetics, or cultural influences, a home decoration collection allows individuals to express their creativity and individuality, turning their house into a true home. The beauty of a home decoration collection lies in its ability to evolve, grow over time as new pieces are discovered, cherished, mementos are acquired, and cherished memories become an integral part of the design's narrative. Ultimately, a thoughtfully assembled home decoration collection transforms living spaces into personal structures that reflect the essence and soul of those who inhabit them. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.